Hey everyone, and here's what we're working on today. I'm going to sprout some llama beans to make them easier to grow in the garden, and I'm going to show you how I do that. I'm just using regular large llama beans that I bought at the store. And just take a paper towel, put it on a paper plate or a plastic plate or any plate, and just do that. That's it. That was just plain old water. So then we're going to take how many ever beans you want to sprout. You could set them up real nice. I would keep them, that one, probably not going to do anything. But I would definitely keep them apart, because if they sprout, and some will sprout quicker than the others, and then they'll start growing, and you don't want them to get tangled up. So just keep them apart from one another like that. Alrighty, and then what you're going to do is just cover them up. Now, I usually just use 2 layers of paper towel and then 2 on top. You can fold it over, you can leave it in pieces, it doesn't really matter. And I do this because it'll just keep them moist. That's it. And then some people will put them inside a plastic bag and keep it closed to increase the humidity, but I don't, because I found it's not necessary, not with lima beans anyway. And then all we're going to do is take these lima beans and then, don't judge, we're going to put them under the kitchen sink, all right? And these right here are here for this reason, actually. If you wanted to increase some humidity instead of using a plastic bag. And I get these off of pie or cheesecake. Not that I'm eating that, but then I'll just put that in there because you want it to be dark to sprout. And then you're done. Check it in 2 days. And then if they don't sprout, check them in another couple days. And if they haven't sprouted within a week, start over. Throw that away, start over. Don't let it dry out. So when you're checking it, oh, let's see. Yeah, it's still wet. We're still good. Okay, you're done. That's it. All right, and then we're going to plant those. Here's how the lima beans turned out after I put them in a plastic bag. It was a used plastic bag under the sink in a paper towel. I think I had a little too much water in them, but so out of 3, 5, 8, 9, I don't know. Two have nice roots. One has beautiful roots, real good roots. This one is, well, it fell apart and there I just knocked the root off. So I guess you got to be gentle with them. That one has a root. These other ones may end up sprouting. I think I'm just going to plant them anyway. So you can re-sprout your beans. You can sprout your beans. The reason I wanted to do this is because lima beans, we like them, but the cheapest I find them is $2.20 a pound, and that's at Walmart. Aldi doesn't sell them, Dollar Tree doesn't sell them, and I find that grocery store wise, like what we have in the Pittsburgh area, Shop and Save, Foodland, they don't ever beat the prices of Walmart. So honestly, I haven't checked those stores. And what I did do was go online and look for lima bean seeds in bulk, and I can actually get them for $2 a pound, 20 cents cheaper a pound. That's wonderful. If I buy 25 pounds, I didn't even bother to check what shipping was because I'm not interested in that, 25 pounds. Now, I guess I could, because then they would be, beans also, because that's all they're going to send you. But I don't know. So I said, okay, I'll buy a pound of seeds. How much are they? $3.50. Really? Why wouldn't I just buy a bag of beans and plant them? Now, granted, if they're lima bean seeds, you should get better germination than I've gotten here. But I don't have space for a pound's worth of lima beans plants anyway. So I'm going to try doing this, and then I just wanted to show you this. I have re-sprouted this one, the celery. It's got a tiny sprout there. tiny sprout there, and one there. And I've done this many times. I've had one that's like maybe 4 or 5 inches high, and then I put them outside. I plant them near my mulch pile, and they do well, and then something always comes along and just noshes them out. And then of course we had our record low temps in the Pittsburgh area, so that didn't help either, but we'll see how they grow. These are actually going in the main garden, and then I also have to work on the fence for the main garden, so that's what I'm doing today, maybe. So here I am in the garden, one of my favorite places to be. And I already planted one of the limas. He's right there. And I put on the tag S for sprouted. So I'm going to do the same thing with the next one. And then these ones that didn't sprout, I'm just going to put Lima, and then I'm going to write soaked because, you know, it starts with an S. That way I'll know if they live, if they die, which ones lived, which ones died. And these are my tomato plants that I lost in the frost. I don't know if they'll come back. And this one doesn't even seem to be there anymore at all. So I don't think it's coming back. I mean, the roots are still in there, but what the heck are you? And then I've got a habanero up there that was kind of buried, and he kind of died too. So I'll just replant this. I think we're finally done with this nasty cold weather. And that's what I'm doing right now.